Hello, I'm Master Cabinet Maker G. Froelich. When I was a bit younger, back in 1936, I started to develop high-quality care and maintenance products for furniture. Maybe you remember me, or remember my great products? Well, that was then. Today, I'm proud to tell you about the new products developed and produced for Scan Design. Have a look. Buying new furniture is often a big decision and should be considered somewhat of an investment. Everything needs love and care. Your boyfriend, your wife, your dog, your car, and of course, furniture needs love and care too. Not a lot of furniture lasts forever, but given the right love and care, the durability of the furniture will be prolonged. The furniture will look better for a longer time. Let me tell you about Scan Design's love and care products. So sit back, pop some popcorn, and listen carefully if you want to know how to take good care of your furniture. Let's get started. Scan Design Fabric Protector easily and effectively protects furniture with cloth upholstery and other fabrics. It can be used for all types of fabrics. The product does not change the material's natural characteristics, appearance, or breathability, and it provides the material with invisible protection.
Scan Design Fabric Protector provides efficient, invisible protection and can be used on all upholstered furniture. The product is easy to use. Spray an even, thin layer on the furniture at a distance of approximately 25 centimeters or 10 inches to make the textile wet. Let it dry for approximately 90 minutes at normal room temperature. This completes the protection. To check that the treatment is sufficient, a little water can be sprayed on. When it is completely dry, repeat the treatment if the water does not glance off. Scan Design Fabric Protector is for environment and safety reasons produced with carbon dioxide as a propellant. However, there must be ventilation in the room where the furniture is treated, perhaps an open window. Always read the label before using the product. We hope you enjoy using Scan Design Fabric Protector.
And yes, of course, it's better to have treated the recliner or the couch before a glass of red wine or a cup of coffee drops on the furniture. But if it happens, Scan Design Fabric Cleaner is specially designed to clean and rinse all types of fabrics and removes almost all stains from coffee, red wine, soda, jam, fruit, berries, and much more.
Scan Design Fabric Cleaner is specifically designed to clean and rinse all types of fabrics and remove stains from coffee, red wine, soda, jam, fruit, berries, and the like. Spray the product directly on the stain and massage the foam into the fabric with clean fingers, a soft lint-free cloth, or a soft sponge. Let the foam rest for approximately 2 minutes and then wipe off with a soft cloth that has been dampened with clean water. With difficult stains, the treatment can be repeated where the foam advantageously can rest for 6 to 8 minutes before it's wiped off. Scan Design Fabric Cleaner is for environment and safety reasons produced with carbon dioxide as a propellant. Always read the label before using the product. We hope you enjoy using Scan Design Fabric Cleaner.
I'd like to tell you a little bit about leather. How to reduce the risk of desiccation, scratching, and fading. With the right care, leather furniture becomes even more beautiful. It gets a patina as it ages. I have some good advice. Keep the leather free from dust and dirt. Use a soft, untreated cloth or a vacuum with a soft brush attachment. Protect leather furniture from direct sunlight and try not to place the furniture next or close to a radiator or similar heat source. Minimum distance should be 10 to 12 inches or 25 to 30 centimeters. If you spill something, immediately absorb the spill with a soft absorbent cloth. Avoid all household cleaning products and never use detergent, petrol, or other chemicals. Use Scan Design Leather Cleaner, which can be used to clean all smooth types of leather, aniline, semi-aniline, and top-coated leather.
Scan Design Leather Cleaner is for cleaning of smooth types of leather, aniline, semi-aniline, and pigmented leather. Use a soft sponge or a lint-free cloth to massage an even, thin layer with circular movements. It is important to apply evenly and always treat entire surfaces. After drying, the leather should be treated with ScanDesign Leather Conditioner. Regular care significantly reduces the risk of desiccation, scratching, and fading. Always read the label before using the product. We hope you enjoy using ScanDesign Leather Cleaner.
After using the leather cleaner, the leather should be treated with ScanDesign Leather Conditioner. The products, leather cleaner and leather conditioner, help to preserve the leather's natural characteristics and appearance. Regular care significantly reduces the risk of desiccation, scratching, and fading, and the leather conditioner nourishes the leather.
ScanDesign Leather Conditioner is designed for the maintenance of smooth types of leather: aniline, semi-aniline, and pigmented leather. Before treatment with leather conditioner, it is recommended to use ScanDesign Leather Cleaner. Regular leather care significantly reduces the risk of desiccation, scratching, and fading. Use a soft sponge or a lint-free cloth to massage an even, thin layer with circular movements. It is important always to treat entire surfaces. Some types of leather may be slightly darker after treatment. Always read the label before using the product. We hope you enjoy using ScanDesign Leather Conditioner.
Let me see. I've talked about fabric protector, fabric cleaner, and I've told you how to take good care of leather furniture. And now, wood. No two pieces of wood are the same, so there's not two pieces of furniture the same. Wood is constantly changing, which means the structure and color of the wood will change over time. The biggest changes take place at the beginning. When the wood expands and contracts, small cracks between the wood grains may appear. However, these are harmless and can often be removed, be oiled away. ScanDesign Wood Oil is for the maintenance of untreated or oiled furniture made from hardwoods such as teak, walnut, mahogany, beech, ash, oak, and the like. This oil is based on the finest and cleanest oils, is water resistant, and protects the wood from desiccation.
ScanDesign Wood Oil is for the maintenance of untreated or oiled furniture made from hardwoods such as beech, ash, oak, teak, marabou, and the like. Before treatment, the surface can be wiped in the direction of the grain with a damp cloth. Apply the oil evenly in a thin layer with a soft sponge or lint-free cloth. Always work in the direction of the grain. When treating tabletops, remember to treat both sides. For highly absorbent wood, repeat the treatment after 2 hours. This oil is based on the finest and cleanest oil and might need extra time to dry compared to other oils. Always read the label before using the product. We hope you enjoy using ScanDesign Wood Oil.
Cleaning of wood. Daily cleaning is done with a hard-wrung cloth. If there are difficult spots or need for a deep cleaning, ScanDesign Wood Cleaner is recommended. The wood cleaner is specially designed for effective cleaning and degreasing of all non-lacquered indoor wood surfaces. The product is produced from natural soaps and is an effective universal cleaning agent for wood.
ScanDesign Wood Cleaner is specifically designed for effective cleaning and degreasing of non-lacquered indoor wood surfaces. The product is produced from natural soaps and is an effective universal cleaning agent for wood. Use the product sparingly, in a ratio of 1 cup wood cleaner to 2 cups lukewarm water, and apply with a soft sponge or a lint-free cloth. Then scour lightly in the direction of the grain until it foams. Let the foam rest for approximately 5 minutes, and then wipe off with a soft cloth wrung in clean water. If the wood has risen, once the wood is dry, sand lightly with fine sandpaper. After using wood cleaner, the wood should be treated. For example, with ScanDesign Wood Oil. Always read the label before using the product. We hope you enjoy using ScanDesign Wood Cleaner.
And remember, always treat, clean, or oil in the grain direction of the wood. Well, I hope you've learned just a little. or have refreshed your knowledge about the care and maintenance of furniture. I only have one more thing to say. Thanks for listening. Thank you for your time. Bye for now. Take good care.